Freshly roasted bread.
Freshly roasted
Skin.
Santorini.
Freshly roasted Irene. I zoomed in into your boobs. And then freshly roasted Edurne.
leg.
Greek salad. Fava. Come on, Irene, do the honors.
Of breaking the ice.
Yes. You are an icebreaker. Tomato balls.
We are in Santorini.
Yes, we are. Boom!
Made it
Hence
to-
the lack of clothes.
Yes, we made it to the Greek island.
Yes, we did. We are so good at this. I mean, at traveling. Okay, so we are here in Santorini. We actually arrived yesterday once again, but we decided to
Take a break.
take a chill pill.
We've
Just-
been in the swimming pool since 7 in the morning.
This is true. This is true. So
And
yeah,
it's currently 2 p.m.
yeah, it's 2 p.m. So we've been at the swimming pool.
For you can do the math, not us.
Exactly. Yeah, so we're gonna go on catamaran tour around the island of Santorini. And we're gonna have some amazing food, some amazing wine. Okay, so anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna show you around the island of Santorini. Santorini.
I'm sure there will be a montage right now with music. Don't skip it.
Bye! Irene,
Are
you going in?
Safer if you did.
what is in there?
We're leaving Santorini.
We had the time of our lives here,
Yes.
especially with the catamaran tour yesterday.
Bye. You probably saw amazing footage of
I mean, we highly recommend doing that because that's the one special thing I think you can do here. So we're moving on to Paros, where we're gonna spend the next 3 days. So yeah, keep tuned and watch what we're doing because we didn't plan anything. So it's all gonna be very spontaneous, but probably,
So we don't know what's coming in the next second of the video.
that's true, but it's probably gonna involve food and beaches
Yes.
and something in the water.
Yeah.
So how's Paros? This is what we did for 2 days. Yeah, this is our plan for the day.
I'm very scared.
We don't care about visiting Paros anymore. Maybe we will go to the beach. Stay tuned, find out.
This is an Edurne.
in her natural habitat. The Edurne, when it gets hot, likes to get into the water. She never realizes that it's colder than it seems. There she is attempting to go. The Edurne took a dip into the water. There she is. She's approaching her prey. She's trying to lure her prey into the water with her. For a snack. Is it cold? No. Liar, pants on fire. It took you 7 million hours to get into the water. The Edurne likes to lie to her prey, to lure the prey into the water with her. The Edurne is completely oblivious of this documentary. This is her natural habitat and host.
Hello. Hi. We woke up in Paros, in Patriski, ¿cómo se llama? How is it called? Parikia, in Paros. And we decided to go to the swimming pool for a while. We had zero plans for the day, and suddenly we were like, nah.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. And then I was like, I don't want to swim in that beach. There's too many ferries and boats. And it's dirty.
And then we were told that this village, Naoussa, was very traditional and very cute and that we had to see it. So we came and they were all right.
So we took a bus.
And yeah, now we're here. So we're gonna be having lunch later.
We're gonna first take a boat to another beach.
Yes.
Around here. And then we're gonna have lunch back here in the wood.
And we will show you.
And
no
we will
worries.
show you the food.
We finished our travels around the Greek islands. We hope you liked our constant creative content about food
And food and shots of islands from a boat and shots of the sea from a boat.
shots
and
of us in the water,
Yes.
in the swimming pool.
in the swimming pool.
Yeah, super interesting content, we know. But now you're gonna get a premium experience. So Irene touched books of this bookshelf that is really creepy. It only has creepy books and 2 Jumanjis. Don't touch it!
Blood.
Told you not to touch it. And what about the Jumanji boxes? Did you open one?
I opened this Jumanji
Are
box.
you fucking crazy?
Look.
No, don't do that. I don't want. It is a Jumanji. Did you see?
Yes.
It's Jumanji.
And then there's this other one, and then there's these 2 creepy women looking at you.
I don't know if they're upside down. Which way? Ah,
No,
I see the
they're
eyebrows.
Anyway, we arrived yesterday here.
Yes.
We started listening to weird noises of the wood
creaking.
Maybe it was not the wood, we don't know. The flush from the toilet leaking.
When it's not actually leaking, because we checked.
And then I had a paranormal experience in this door. When I saw, while I was opening this door, I saw another door here opening by itself with a hand. And it was the reflection of my hand, but I literally ran the other way around, back to Edurne, screaming to the bed, being like, no, I saw a hand!
And I almost had a heart attack because I was the one saying that it was a haunted house before. So what's behind that door?
We don't know. Corpses.
And then this is the bedroom. And as you can see, the floors.
Are old as shit.
Yes. And the bed also sounds the same. Thank you, Irene. And then there's this thing that wouldn't close and is very, very creepy. Very creepy.
And then the best part. The 7 million saints, Jesus, Virgin Mary, cherubs, and then the holy water. 3 bottles of holy water.
No, there's actually 4 because
There's one next to my nightstand.
there's one next to the nightstand.
With the face of my queen. There's this quieted thing.
Yeah, they quieted the ones that lived here and died. Look at the creepy.
No, they are not quiet.
So creepy. I didn't see how creepy the flamingos or ostriches were.
And then there's 1 mirror, 2 mirrors, 3 mirrors.
1,000 mirrors.
7 million mirrors. The house of the 7 million mirrors.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's that. So you have seen this really creepy house that we had to spend the night in. We hope you liked it as much as we didn't.
We hope you can sleep at night,
Yes.
since we couldn't.
And if there is no video after this one, you know we died. So please hit the like button
To keep us alive.
and subscribe so that you get notification if we do another video.
Subscribe to keep the spirits away.
Yes.
We've heard it's a thing.
Yes. Bye.
So we're really happy.
Irene, what's that? What's that moving? Ah!